Hello and welcome to Monroe Junior High end of year award ceremony. My name is Joe Ward. I'm the principal of Monroe Junior High. While we weren't able to be together at the end of this school year, we still wanted to make sure we recognize the students for their hard work. So I want to thank Elizabeth Barger for getting all the awards together for this. I want to thank all the teachers for going through their class lists and making sure all the awards were accurate. I want to give a special thanks to Andrea Carvellano for all her hard work. She created this presentation and the slideshow. She put a lot of hours into this and it turned out looking fabulous. I also want to thank parents as you were patient with us as we fixed one of the issues we had with the awards. I know it took a little longer than we anticipated, but I want to thank you for your understanding. This presentation is for the 7th grade. There is also a second video for the 8th grade. The awards, just to give you a little information, the GPA awards were only based off first, second, and third quarter. Fourth quarter was on a pass or did not pass system, so that was not calculated into their GPA. And all the certificates for these awards are going to be mailed home. We hope to have them go home today or the first week of June. The awards they could get, they have the Honor Roll Award. That is the student had to have a 3.5 GPA or higher in all 3 quarters. That is not an average. They had to have it in each quarter. Principal's Award is a 4.0 for all 3 quarters. And if they did get a 4.0, then they could have gotten the Honor Roll and the Principal's Award. Perfect attendance is students had 0 absences or tardies all year. And then we had 3 Teachers Awards. Students had 0 missing assignments all year. In at least one class, they got the Relentless Effort Award. And that is, they could have had it in multiple classes, but if they had it in at least one, then they would have gotten the award. Significant Improvement Award is student made significant progress throughout the year in at least one class. And then the Remote Learning Excellence Award is a way for us to reward students for working hard this last 4th quarter. So if they completed all their work in at least one class, then they will get that award. We also want to recognize students for their work, some students who worked on the extension project. We had a pilot program that was voluntary for students. We offered it to them second semester. It was an extension of their learning in all their core subjects. All the work was done outside of school. And for the 7th grade project, they read the book A Long Walk to Water. And so all the activities and things they had to do revolved around the water crisis in Africa, and it was still aligned to their state standards. Students who completed this award were given a distinction on the report card and given a field trip. Now, obviously, the field trip was canceled this year, but we are committed to making sure they still get this opportunity when school resumes its normal functioning. The students who completed this project in the 7th grade are Joseph Brown, Natalie Long, Sam McCausland, Madeline Morris, Haley Powell, Chloe Glay, and Rachel Regal. The teachers are very proud of them. They should be very proud of themselves. I know they put a lot of work in, and it paid off. Now, the next part of this is the awards. Each slide will run for about 2 seconds, and then the awards for the student are listed along with their picture. We did not have every picture, but we got as many as we can. So I hope you enjoy this ceremony, and I hope you have a great summer.